SciTech. Today I'm going to show you how to use an Arduino Uno for the first time, showing you the most basic steps of how to use an Arduino Uno. Let's get started. This is the Arduino software. You can download it for free off from Arduino.com, and this software is what you need to use to control your Arduino. So let's get started. Let's click on File, and then you go to Examples. Then you go to Basics, and then go to Blank. And then you have a window that's open. Then you open the window, and this particular code allows you to control a simple LED and to make the LED turn on and off. And this is the basic code for that. If you want, you can play around with this code and change the blink rate of the LED. But for simplicity, let's just go ahead and upload it to your Arduino. And you click here to upload. There. And now you can see the TX and RX LEDs flashed, which means your Arduino is programmed. Now you take your LED and you connect the negative or cathode or to the ground and the positive or anode to pin 13, and there, it's flashing. As you can see a bit closer, the negative is connected to ground and positive is connected to pin 13. Now let's go ahead and move the LED to the breadboard. Now I'm connecting a jumper cable to another ground pin of the Arduino, and I'm connecting it directly to the negative of the LED. I have right here a 1K ohm resistor because I didn't like how bright the LED was, and I'm connecting that to positive. And connecting it anywhere on the breadboard, taking a positive wire jumper cable to connect to pin 13, which is positive, and there, the LED looks a little bit better, and it flashes the same way. Now let's try another example. Let's connect pin 13, which is positive, and connect it to the positive rail. Same configuration, works the same way, and now I have my ground and connecting it to the negative rail of the breadboard, and there, works the same way. You can also connect it to ground on your Arduino like that. Both grounds are connected the same way. And there you have it, the basics of an Arduino Uno. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you like and subscribe for more SciTech videos. Till the next tech. Goodbye.